The Ransome-Kuti family. Are they Nigeria's most iconic and impactful family? The Kuti family is no doubt the most prominent family in Nigeria. It begins with Reverend Josiah Jesse (JJ) Ransome-Kuti, who adopted the name Ransom in honor of the Anglican missionary that had first converted his family to Christianity. He followed his father, Likoye Kuti, an Egba griot, into the musical vocation and wrote a series of popular hymns in the Yoruba language while serving as an Anglican cleric. Reverend J.J. Ransome-Kuti gave birth to Reverend Oludotun Ransome-Kuti, who himself was a ranking Anglican priest and foremost educationist who founded the Nigerian Union of Teachers and was also the first president of the union. He married Madam Funmilayo Ransome-Kuti, also known as the Lioness of Lishabi, a women's rights activist, gave real meaning to the now easily misconstrued and merely misused cause called feminism. She was the harbinger of women's rights and women votes in the country. First woman to drive a car, the prominent woman to partake in the discussions for Nigerians' independence, entered the International Women's, who in 1969 won the Lenin Peace Prize in 1970. In fact, she made a king abdicate his throne for the right reasons in her fight for justice for women. She was not alone. She had a partner in stride, her sister-in-law, Grace Eniola Kuti. Grace co-founded Abeokuta Women's Union with Funmilayo, leading a revolt against draconian taxation. Her womb gave the world the enigma called Wole Soyinka. Funmilayo Ransome-Kuti gave birth to the legendary Fela Anikulapo Kuti, Likoye Ransome-Kuti, a pediatrician activist and health minister of Nigeria, and Beko Ransome-Kuti, a medical doctor known for his work as a human rights activist. Fela Kuti himself needs no introduction. His children, Femi and Seun Kuti, are Grammy-nominated artists, recognized activists including Yeni Power Kuti. The family continues to expand in prominence and notoriety. The family is no doubt Nigeria's most iconic and impactful family.